6 tips for gaining barakah in your life. Barakah refers to blessings that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala puts in our time, health, wealth, and other resources, helping us get more out of these than we would have thought is possible. Many people complain about the lack of barakah in their time, but that can be avoided. Here are 6 things you can do to earn some barakah. Number 1. Establish the 5 daily prayers. If you are not praying 5 times a day, you cannot expect barakah in your time. Praying 5 times a day is a primary act of worship required from us as servants of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And if we neglect this duty, we should not expect barakah in other aspects of our lives. Number 2. Pray for barakah. If you want that barakah is our time, then just like any other gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you need to ask Allah for it. Ask Allah daily in your private du'as for barakah in your time, effort, wealth, health, and efforts. A sincere dua does not go unheard. Number 3. Utilize the early morning hours. The last 1/3 of the night and the early hours of the morning are times which are full of barakah. Try it out one day, wake up for tahajjud, and then work on some of your most important tasks after tahajjud and fajr. You will notice that you will be able to get more done in less time due to the blessings that Allah has placed in this time. Number 4. Keep your earnings, spending, food, and goals halal. For any prayer to be answered, it must be made by someone who has not tainted his wealth or food with that which Allah has prohibited. Strive your best to earn halal wealth, spend it properly, purchase only halal food, and set noble goals. If you do so, you will earn barakah from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Number 5. Give a lot of charity, sadaqah. Many of us know that the way to increase the barakah in our wealth is to spend it on others. The same applies to our time. Volunteer your time for noble causes, and you will find yourself with extra time to chase your goals. As the more wealth you give others, the more Allah gives you. Likewise, the more time you spend on others, the more Allah blesses your time. Number 6. Be grateful for what you have. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in the Quran, "And remember when your Lord proclaimed, 'If you are grateful, I shall give you more. And if you are ungrateful, then my punishment is severe.'" This means that increase in anything is linked to how grateful we are to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for granting us that thing. So if we want barakah in our time, we must be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the time He has already blessed us with. Instead of complaining about what we don't have, the formula is simple and applies to any area of life. Gratitude leads to increase and complaints lead to decrease.